More than 90 million Americans and more than a billion people all over the world suffer from snoring. Snoring is harmful not only for your family life, but also for your health and even for your life, because snoring is often accompanied by pauses where you literally stop breathing. Soft tissues of your neck relax while you're sleeping, and they can narrow your breathing airway. Humankind tried many methods to resolve snoring problem: technological and homemade. We told you, it is dangerous for your health. But now we have the real and ultimate solution. Unique technology allows you to stop snoring quickly, efficiently, and without disturbing your sleep. A unique algorithm analyzes the respiration rate, heart rate, movement, and other physiological parameters and adjusts the real-time biofeedback treatment to the user's responses. Sleep healthy with an artificial intelligence-based bracelet.